Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken TikTok. If you are a TikTok user, then you might walk across a situation when your For You page for TikTok has been broken and you've been reverted back to the original basic feed of your TikTok. Then in that case, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your TikTok For You page is broken and you are not being able to see the content like you were supposed to, in that case, here are some fixes you could follow. The first thing to do is to close off your TikTok application. If it is running in the background, close off all of the application that's running in the background from your smartphone and then tap open your TikTok app once again. Relaunch the application and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then simply tap on the profile button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner from your profile page. Go to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down from your settings and privacy page and tap on the log out button. Tap log out again to confirm, and once you log out of your TikTok account, tap on the profile button at the bottom right one more time and tap on login or sign up. Sign into your TikTok account by selecting your account or entering your credentials to log into it back again. And once you log in back to your account, see if that fixes your issue by going through the For You page. Sometimes logging out and logging in back to your TikTok account might solve your broken For You page issue on TikTok. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear out your cache file from your TikTok app on your Android device. Tap Open Settings from your Android device, and once you launch it open, from the Settings menu, scroll down to Apps. From the app list that has been downloaded on your Android devices, go and search for TikTok. Once you find it, tap it open. From the app info page, tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner and you'll be able to wipe out or delete the cache file from your TikTok application. Now you can go back to TikTok, launch it open and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your TikTok For You page has been broken and it is not showing you the content like it was supposed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.